Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create this blue to red kind of smoky eye look. Just, you know, this is like really, I don't know, like over the past few days I've been thinking about, you know, like, okay, I keep looking at looks and making looks for inspiration, but I'm kind of like, you know, I kind of want to see what I would do with my own brand, you know, come up with a look. So I don't know, I just kind of want to play with blue and red because I feel like those colors kind of go together. So, and I came up with this. Get a little closer. So of course I had to try it out first before I told you guys how to do it, but just stay tuned and keep watching and I can show you how I did it. So first step is, of course, go in with concealer because you don't want to go in with like a dry eye. And I'm using ColourPop's No Filter Concealer. It's not my color, but whatever. And I mean, you're not gonna see it anyways. So just kind of like go in on your eye, you know, just enough to coat. And then take a beauty blender, dry, wet, doesn't matter. And just go in and blend it out. Okay, and then I'm going to take 3 colors. Take the Afrique Palette, BH Cosmetics, Take Me Back to Brazil, and I'm pretty sure this is the 352 palette. So I'm taking this color and I'm just gonna go in and blend it out. And it's like, it's kind of a plum, well, you'll just see. You just kind of want to go just like right on your crease and kind of just pack it in just to make sure it's there. I went in, well, because it was some already in the brush, but what I did was I took in this one, Bean 2. I took in this red right here from the BH Cosmetics palette, and then from the 3502, I took in this reddish brown. I mixed them together and it came up in with this color. And then what we're gonna do is, since it's already on the brush, take a little blending brush. I just took like it didn't have any color on it. I'm just gonna blend it out, kind of get the color off, and just go in and kind of blend it out above the crease, just to kind of, you know, make it look more blended. And then my eyes are hooded, so you can't really see it that well. So it just kind of helps me in the long run. So you just go in and blend it out. Okay, and then after that's blended, go into I'm using the Magic Mini by GVS. I'm taking this navy blue right here. It's called, this navy blue right here. I don't want to pronounce it wrong. Tap up access, and then we're going to hit the inner corner and outer corner just to kind of, you know, start adding in the blue. Just tap that in. And then go right into the crease. Like connect the two. Okay, then stop. My hand is a mess. I just take this, kind of just blend it out on your palm just to kind of get rid of the excess, because very pigmented colors. And then kind of just go back and then blend it out. So then go back in with that red and kind of just go over the blue a little bit just to kind of help it blend more. There we go. So then, taking just a flat brush right like this, we're gonna go with Fifi from the Afrique collection, and we're gonna take, oh girl, the Saharan by Juvia's, and we're taking Bororo. We're gonna mix those two together, but we're gonna go on Fifi first. And you're just gonna go onto your inner corner, its inner corner, and kind of pack it on halfway so it can meet the blue. So actually, since I said that, we're gonna hit that blue one more time and kind of just pack it a little bit more onto your actual eyelid. Don't worry about the colors mixing, they're not gonna change. It's not gonna turn purple. I have a really bad habit of putting the mirror into the camera. I need to get a better mirror while I'm playing. There we go. Actually, not halfway. It's gonna, the red is going to meet the blue 3/4 of the way. So it's already on the brush. There's nothing, like I didn't like, you know, put any like setting spray or anything on the brush. I'm just putting, this is just the straight color. And we're gonna go in and we're gonna start in the inner corner and just kind of blend that out, kind of pack it on. Kind of form the lid shape. Go back in, pack it on. That creeps me out. Okay, and then you can see like it's kind of the blue, and like you kind of want it to kind of blend easily. Like it kind of looks like it's like a dash of blue. So you want to go in with the feet. This is Fifi from the Afrique collection, and you just want to kind of this form a shape. And then you can go up and then kind of fill it in. And then we can go back in with the blue and blend it back out. So then we're gonna go in with Bororo from the other Juvia's palette. And kind of just packed it on just to give it a little bit more intensity. There we go. Go back in with the blue. This I didn't pack on any more eyeshadow. This is just straight from the eyeshadow. Just go in, just lightly, just kind of just fill back in the blue. Just a little bit. See, that was too much. So then what we're gonna do is take in the red. This is the brush I was using when I did the blend out the crease. And we're just kind of blend that in. Kind of go back and forth a little bit. Okay. And then I see that I went a little bit higher, so there we go. Go back in and then kind of just blend it out a little higher. Blend out the red a little higher on your eye. There we go. And then just take a blending brush and just blend that out. Blend out the blue on the outer corner. Right? And then take a floofy brush, just a brush to fit under your eye. Don't know what I forgot what brush I was using. I think I was using this brush. Go back in with that navy blue. Put it on, and then just go under your eye. And blend it out, kind of smoke it out. Okay, and you can put on some lashes and call it a day. I'll go ahead and put on lashes because why not? Like,
milk can.
Okay, this is the look. I went ahead and put on lashes that like, cause I ordered some hair and just like some fluffy lashes. I just kind of just add on to the look. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and comment below. Tell me what else you want to see. Subscribe, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you want to see, you know, and stay tuned. And then, you know, just let me know. And thanks for watching. Bye.